Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Banana milkshake recipe for babies and toddlers. Milkshakes are the tastiest and healthiest recipe to serve your child. And if it happens to be banana milkshake, they are best for the teething phase and overall growth of your child. Here goes the step-by-step procedure to make a yummy banana milkshake. Cooking time. Type. Time preparation time. 5 minutes. Cook time. 1 minute. Total time. 6 minutes. Cooking method. Mixer or blender, suitable for babies older than 12 months. Ingredients. Banana, 2 in number. Tone milk or coconut milk, 2 cups. Optional ingredients. Sugar or honey according to taste. Vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon. Cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Instructions. Peel and chop bananas into small pieces. Add them to the blender jar. Next, add the milk into the jar. Add either cardamom powder or vanilla extract in the quantities specified above. Add sugar or honey only if it is required and according to your taste. Blend until smooth. The milkshake is ready to serve. You can sprinkle cardamom powder on top while serving. If your kid likes it cool, you can refrigerate and then serve the milkshake. Recipe tips. For this homemade banana milkshake baby food recipe, it is necessary that you buy ripe bananas so that the milkshake turns out smooth and tasty. Also, ripe bananas are sweeter, so you can avoid adding sugar or honey, which is not advisable for babies less than 12 months of age. The milk added to this simple banana milkshake recipe should be pre-boiled. Next, cool it and add it in the recipe. Pre-boiled milk ensures that milk is good to consume. Do not keep the milkshake for more than 4 hours as the milk may get spoiled. Do prepare this extremely easy banana milkshake for babies, which is not only tasty but is super healthy too.